Just a gentle reminder that there are instructional videos detailing each of the following sequences. Have your prop ready, place it between your knees and ankles, squeeze and hold, and you're going to slowly, for the first exercise, lower your legs as far as you can go, rotating from the hip. You'll be exhaling, E for E. So as the legs lower, you will be doing your hawing by pressing the lower abs. Let's get started. In your position, inhale through the nose, and we're going to slowly press our lower abs, and as we exhale, we will lower our legs, rotating from the hip as far as you can go, pulling your legs back up nice and slow, inhaling through the nose. We're going to reset, make sure that back is flat, and we will slowly press our air out. We're lowering our legs simultaneously, squeezing those blocks, and slowly bring back up as we inhale through our nose. Resetting, taking a moment, make sure everything's the way it should be. Taking a big, deep inhalation, we're going to exhale as we lower our feet closer to the ground, always keeping the 90 degrees. Back up, inhaling through the nose. We're going to do one more rep, so make sure everything is in its place. You're still squeezing those blocks or bolster. You've got your inhale going on, and now you're going to exhale, pressing the air out by using your lower abs as you lower. Inhale as you bring your legs slowly and smoothly back up. Phenomenal. We're going to lower one leg and then the other, transitioning into the second exercise. Positioning yourself on your back with your feet flat, your knees falling together in the middle. If it's more comfortable to support your head so it stays parallel to the ground with a towel or a pillow, please do so, and begin with your 4, 7, 8 breathing.
Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge of tissue located just behind your upper front teeth. Begin by slowly exhaling through your open mouth completely, your breath passing by your tongue. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Beautifully done.
Take a moment to sit up, so we'll begin exercise 3. Elongating your spine, begin by lifting the front part of your feet. Your toes are coming up while your heels stay intact. Lifting one leg, heel tap, toe tap, heel tap, toe tap. What we're doing is removing the muscles so the venous system is massaged and the blood flow starts going up. Nice and tall. Switch legs. Heel tap, toe tap, heel tap, toe tap. You're sitting equally on both sits bones, both butt cheeks. Beautiful. Lift your shoulders up, roll back and down. Just warm it up a bit. Raising your arms up back, slide them down your back. Up, back, slide. Beautiful. Keep going.
Jumping from cliffs so
Now
high.
90 degrees. Same action at the shoulders.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Checking in. Is your head nice and tall? You're sitting on both sits bones. Both cheeks of your butt are equally having pressure. Up, back, down. Nice and big.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Feel the massage right between the shoulder blades.
Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is
Lifting up and stretch right and left. Your sits bones are still equal. But you're stretching and elongating the side of your body. Reach, reach, reach. The neck is relaxed. Position yourself in the victory stance, stretching, reaching, reaching. Tapping those toes. Still stretching. Beautiful. Transitioning into exercise 4, where we'll be working our spine's #1 stabilizer, your diaphragm. Sitting on the edge of an armless chair, inhaling through your nose, prepare. Roll your shoulders down, reach your head tall, tall, tall. Exhale, use your abs to press the air out as your arms go forward. Inhale through your nose as your arms go back. Exhale, press those lower thirds, bring the arms forward. That's beautiful. Quicker, back and forth. We're focusing on the lower abs pressing out. The air's coming back in through our nose naturally. No gulps. Just allow the mouth to be open, and each time you press and bring the arms forward, your air will go out. That's great. Always staying tall, tall, tall. You got it. Your weight is equal on both of your butt cheeks. The rotation is at the hip, and that is created by your ab muscles compressing, pushing that air out of your open mouth. All the time, checking that you're tall. Take a moment, big breath in through your nose. Reset. And let's start again. Exhale by pressing the abs. Relax, inhale, lift your chest. Beautiful. Exhale, pushing the abs, reaching forward this time. Slowly back, inhale through the nose, check in on your neck. We're going to pick it back up. Back, forward. The abs are doing all the work. The entire time you are staying as relaxed in your shoulder areas as possible. Your concentration is on the use of your abs. We want the diaphragm and the pelvic floor to work together. We're going to cross our arms. This is just going to use a different set of shoulder muscles. One arm all the way out to at shoulder height. Another arm, shoulder height. One arm in. Now the other arm in. Beautiful. We're going to rotate back together. This is happening the entire time that you're using your abs. Back, rotate. The abs press the air out. We're working on that upper neck hump. Relax, reset. Inhale through the nose. Check in on your neck. Nice and tall. Exhale, pressing the air out, reaching the arms forward, and now back. Forward, to the side, forward, side, forward, side. Lifting your chest up and through your arms each and every time. Forward, side. Air's pressed out, air's pressed out. One arm out and to the side. Reach, 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 reach. Same thing with the other side. Reach, 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 reach. Shoulder height, one arm in. Nice and controlled. Other arm, beautifully controlled. They meet in the middle. Now, back and together. Back, together. Continue. And every time you're using those lower abs, the mouth remains open so the air can be pressed out. We are doing a compound exercise right now. Fold in and out. Complete control, right and left. Little quick ones. We're going to fire off some of those small muscle fibers. Staying nice and tall. Both together. Now both out. In, out. Beautiful. Keep it up. Relax your neck. Head is as tall as it can be. It never moves. We're working all those deep spinal muscles the entire time. Pull them out and bring them together straight. Rotate, press them back. In, press them back. In. Use those ab muscles. The ab muscles are pressing the air up and out. We have our pelvic floor, our diaphragm going, spine stabilizer. We have our upper back and neck being used. We have our arms all condensed within this one motion. Beautiful. Reset, nice and tall, and I'll see you tomorrow. This week, the fifth focused action is to take a minute to grab your favorite scent and use it. What we are doing by incorporating the scent right at the end is we're starting to create what's called an anchor. Your body will start to associate the good that you feel post-exercise with the smell. And you know what that can do? It can set up a physiological cascade where that smell alone can positively impact your entire body's physiology. So if you would, please take 2 seconds, grab your favorite scent, and I'll see you tomorrow.